Hey everyone! I'm here to show you how to create a web design project in just 1 hour. If you have limited time or don't have much experience in web design, this guide is the perfect place to start. In this video, we'll go over the basic steps that'll ensure your web project is done quickly and correctly. First, you'll need a general plan. It doesn't have to be complicated, just decide what information you want to include on the page, and organize it into a few main sections. Then decide which features you might want to add, such as interactive elements, videos, and more. Next, decide on a platform for your website. Popular options include WordPress and Squarespace. Even if you don't know coding, these tools make designing your website much easier. Spend some time exploring their features and decide which ones best fit your project. Once you've settled on a platform, it's time to choose a template. There are thousands of free and pre-made options available. Look for one with a design aesthetic that matches your site's content. Just remember to read the individual license requirements of each template. Now comes the hard part, creating the actual website. Luckily, modern design tools make the process relatively painless. Make sure to use text fields and buttons in logical places that are easy to understand when you view the page. You can also use built-in plugins or custom scripts to enhance the page with additional features like animations. Once you've finished designing, it's time to test your page. Ideally, you'll use multiple browsers and devices to ensure that your page looks and functions properly on all of them. You can also go through the page multiple times to make sure there are no typos or formatting errors. Finally, make sure you have an online presence for your website. Create social media accounts and link to your site and encourage people to comment and share their feedback. Don't forget to back up your website and verify the version control, too. That's it, you've now created a web design project in 1 hour.